BittyBrush. Hello. Let's draw a Christmas tree. It's working out great. I really love Christmas, don't you? Have you written a letter to Santa yet? I hope Santa will give me a train. How well it turns out. Green. Good job. Yellow. Red. Blue. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Brown. The Christmas tree turned out to be beautiful.